How to get $200 Walgreens promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. At the top, you'll see the search box. Over there, type in Walgreens promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can easily get working promo code for Walgreens. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open Coupon Follow. After you open it, just scroll down. You're going to find amazing deals and offer, 50% off, 75% off, $60 off, and many more. Head towards any of the offer that you want to grab. Just go ahead and click on it. So here is the code, copy it. Then click on Redeem at Walgreens. You'll be directed to the official website of Walgreens. Now you can log into your account. Select the items that you want to purchase and proceed to checkout. While in the checkout page, you'll see the option of code. Over there, paste the code and to confirm your order. With that, you will get the discount. Likewise, you can try out other offers as well, because in this page, you can find tons of offers and deals for Walgreens. Lastly, make sure to check out these websites as well, because these websites will also provide a working promo code for Walgreens. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.